About to take a left into Margaritaville Resort. I haven't been in here yet. Not even sure what to expect, honestly. Alright, pulling in. Seems like the Island H2O water park parking is to the right here. It's only $10 to park for the water park. I'm gonna drive up here to the Promenade. Hi everybody and welcome to the World of Micah. Today we're gonna be checking out the Promenade shopping center area and the overall resort area of Margaritaville. Never been here. It's off of Highway 192. I drive by it sometimes when I'm visiting Highway 192, and I thought today is the day I'm gonna drive in there and just see what's going on. But I'm gonna bring you guys along for the adventure. If you're new here, click that subscribe button if you would like to keep up with my latest video. If you would like to support my channel, down below in the description box is a link to my Patreon page. Let's go check this place out. Now, let's take a closer look. To be honest with you guys, I was not expecting all of this. We're gonna walk around and see what all is here. Straight ahead, they have a stage set up, some seating out here, and this grass area. And then right here, check this out, Radio Margaritaville Sirius FM. This is the radio station right here. Kind of looking in and peeking in, you can see some of the microphones, everything set up inside. Kind of cool. Yeah, this is where they broadcast the Radio Margaritaville Sirius XM, I'm guessing. That's kind of neat. I had no idea that this was all here. Right across is a bento, Asian kitchen and sushi. That place is delicious. Abby and I eat bento all the time. Didn't know there was a location out here. Crossing the street now to see what's on the other side. Game time. It's like a arcade, like a Dave & Buster's style establishment. Seems like they have food and drinks too, because they have a patio seating and a bar. This is a place called Bahama Bucks, original shaved ice company. Look at that, birthday cake smoothie and the original bomb pop. You remember those when you were a kid, right? The little rocket popsicles, the red, white, and blue. Those are classic. They have a little screen here talking about things here. Bonkers Comedy. Tonight they have a comedy theater show here. That's pretty cool. Promoting social distancing here. Saw some pop-up hand sanitizer stations here as well. There's one actually across the street right there. Car and truck show, September 13th. Wow, that's awesome. And this is a map of the Promenade at Sunset Walk. All kinds of different things. Barbecue, BurgerFi, Cold Stone, pizza, Ford's Garage, Rock and Brews, the Studio Movie Grill. Kind of blown away right now, you guys. I mean, I knew there was stuff here at Margaritaville, but I didn't know it was on this level. See what I'm saying? They have these little pop-up hand sanitizer stations all over the place. They also have bikes that you can rent. You have to use the app to pay for it, and then you can rent this bike and ride it around right here all over the property. I've always wanted to eat at one of these Ford's Garage, just because I'm a fan of Ford. I drive a Ford. I like classic Ford cars. And this just looks so intriguing to me. Look at this, old school Ford. Just sitting out here in the front. Old school gas pumps, which I love. This is the restaurant and another classic Ford vehicle right up here. I would love to take this thing out for a test drive, but you can't touch. You can't touch this. But they do have hand sanitizer that you can touch. More hand sanitizer here. This is a place called Capone's Pizza by the Slice. Pizza so good it should be illegal. I'm not even kidding you, that's what it says right here on the wall. Seems like we have stumbled upon a British establishment here. Yeoman's Cask and Lion. Look at that, they even have the telephone booth out here as a photo op. Are you serious right now? Big Ben. Just want to keep passing by it saying Big Ben. That's absolutely insane. I didn't know this was here. It's connected to the restaurant and pub. That's so cool. Epic, if I do say so. You know, I've seen many British inspired restaurants, but not one that has Big Ben protruding out the top. Oh my gosh, it works. Do you hear that? Wow. Perfect timing. Right across the way there is the Studio Movie Grill. I believe you can eat. You eat dinner while you're watching a film. Seems like they're still building and adding on to this place. It's not complete yet, but there's a ton of establishments here already. Gonna cross over, see if I can get closer to the water park, which is over here to the left. Right here's the stage. I'm guessing they'll have live entertainment here on certain evenings. That's pretty nice. This is the main circle here on Margaritaville Boulevard. As you drive in, it's a giant circle. But don't worry about the no parking sign here. There's plenty of parking in this place. When I pulled in, I had no problem finding parking. Now I'm sure that could totally change on a Friday or Saturday night, but on a weekday wasn't hard. Name of the water park is Island H2O. I've been to a water park in a long time. Crossing over Margaritaville Boulevard. To the right is Highway 192. Look above Panda Express. You see that weird shaped building? Those three little weird shaped buildings? That's Animal Kingdom Lodge. Right there. That's the Animal Kingdom Resort. That's how close we are to Disney. Here at BurgerFi at Sunset Walk, we have a huge chair. One of those giant chairs. I want to see this place. I've been wanting to come over here and see this place for a while. It's called Rock and Bruise. It's a restaurant dedicated to rock and roll. It's got a large guitar neck over here. Gene Simmons must be in town. Who drives a limousine anymore, honestly? That's so funny to me that they have these stretch limousines. It's almost cheesy at this point. I remember back in the day, you were somebody if you were riding in one of these. But honestly, who needs this anymore? Why? But would you look at that? It's like a giant Gibson headstock there. That's amazing. I love when restaurants have these things. It was a trend back in the day to have, you know, giant statues and things like that. If your restaurant made it seem like it was fun, you know, something you would eat on your vacation. And that trend kind of has gone away, but Rock and Bruise is kind of bringing it back here with the giant guitar headstock and neck. Kind of looks like something I would enjoy. Got all kinds of food here. Look at that burger. Some pizzas, all kinds of cool stuff. Now connected to this, there's a Target, TJ Maxx, and different places over here. But this is all part of Margaritaville Resort. I'm gonna head back to the car and drive down just a little further and see if I can get closer to the cottages. I'm not sure if you have to check in with anybody to get to the cottages or if you're allowed to actually drive through, but we will find out together. I'm so thankful I came out here today because I could run into this dude. Look at that mustache he's got going. He's got the right idea, man. Open shirt, flip-flops, smile on his face. This guy knows exactly what's up. Okay, heading back to the car. Look, kids, Big Ben. The one thing this place needs is a coffee shop. Got plenty of alcohol, plenty of ice cream, but I'm not seeing any coffee. This place needs some caffeine. Look, kids, Big Ben. Okay, so over here is the resort. There's a check-in. You have to check in with the security guards, not letting anyone who doesn't have a reservation come inside. But that over there is the resort. Over here is Island H2O, the water park. This is the closest we can get to the water park without actually parking and going inside. But I found a way to show you guys the cottages. We'll just go to the other backside area because this used to be Splendid China back in the day, and the old road from when this was Splendid China is still there. So I found a way to show you what the cottages look like, and they're pretty cool. So over here is the old Formosa Gardens Shopping Center, and if you take a right on Formosa Gardens Boulevard, up here we should have a clear shot of the cottages from Margaritaville. Yep. So right here is the other check-in with security, and then this is the old fence from Splendid China, and boom, you start seeing some of the cottages right through there. Look at that, all different colors, and looks like something you'd see on the beach. It's pretty awesome. I wonder how much those things are going for if you rent them or you buy those and you stay in the other resort, you know. I'm not sure how it works, but that's them right there. It's like the closest we can get to seeing them, because up here they're still doing some construction. Pretty neat. Place is pretty cool, man. I'm glad we checked it out.